Hello and welcome to AutoRepair Cloud. In this video, we want to tell you about AutoRepair Cloud's new functionality, Multilocations. Multi-location data exchange is useful when you need to receive information about customers, vehicles, or repairs from another repair shop. For example, when you have a branch at another location, or if you have an agreement about such data exchange with another shop. This function will help you share data between your various branches. You will be able to share the following data: customer and vehicle list, repairs list, inventory and part orders, financial reports, QuickBook integrations. In this video, we are going to show you how this function works and how it may be useful to your shop's network. In order to share data with your branch departments, you need to follow 5 easy steps. In order to open the Multilocations section, let's navigate to Configuration and then select Multilocations. Here we can see our shop's ID number. To share data with another shop, press Establish a New Connection button. We will see a window where we will need to enter the required information. First, we need to enter the shop ID number of the shop that we want to share data with. How do we get this shop ID number? Contact the owner or manager of the shop you want to connect with and ask them to let you know their shop ID number. The shop's ID number can be found in the Configurations under Multilocations. Next, put the shop ID number in the text field and press the button to verify. The shop's data should show up. Accept the terms by checking the box next to the I have read and agree statement. Third step, select a person at the other shop location and send a confirmation code to their number. Then contact the person you send the confirmation code to and enter that code in the field. Step 4. If all data was entered correctly, then the 5th step gets activated and the setup page opens up. At the moment, there are 2 types of data that can be shared. They are Customers and Vehicles list and Repairs list. The other data type sharing is in development and will soon be available. You can select the type of data you want to share with the other shop. To receive data from the other shop, contact the shop owner and ask them to set up joint sharing. Using this button, select the data that you want to be shared. After you set up everything that's required in configuration, the other shop will receive the data you shared with it, and that shop's employees can see all the necessary information. So, how are multi-locations useful? Let's look at this diagram. Since there are different ways to share the data, there are many different ways to connect. All data is exchanged back and forth between a pair of shops or branches. Data is shared in only one direction. For example, data may only be going one way from a branch location to a headquarters location. Data can be exchanged between multiple shops in a group, such as between multiple branches and headquarters locations. Note that the data you share with another shop cannot be shared by that shop with a third party, meaning only you decide who to share your data and establish a connection with. If you still have questions, please don't hesitate to ask AutoRepair Cloud support in live chat. If you think this video is useful, please click like and subscribe to watch other videos and stay updated.